Jay making movies.
So you telling me ain't nobody talking about this shoe right here? What? Look, shout out to one of my subscribers, man. One of the family members, should I say. They put me onto these, bro. And I had to have them, man. I don't know what y'all are doing, but this is actually one of the most expensive pairs of its kind, man. But y'all might not know about them, so let me put y'all on game.
Jay making movies.
YouTube family, what's good, man? What's going on, man? Your boy Jay is fresh off of the Whatnot stream, man. Look, man, I ain't even sell too much tonight on there, but I still had a blast, y'all. If you do not follow your boy Jay on Whatnot, or you don't have a Whatnot, y'all need to hit that link in the description, man. Go ahead, get signed up to Whatnot, because this Thursday, December 21st, I'm gonna go all out, man. I'm gonna have a Christmas all out sale for y'all. Everything starting at $1. I'm gonna have some shoes from 2024, as well as not only I'm gonna have them starting at $1, I'm giving away a free pair of shoes that releases in March of next year, man. So look, y'all might want to tap into that, man. Tonight I gave away a free pair of shoes. Bang! Shout out to the winner. This is the season. I gave away an absolutely free pair of Jordan 1 yellow ochres, man. So shout out to the winner, man. If you know, you know, man. But follow your boy Jay over on Whatnot. But outside of me being fresh off of Whatnot, I said I cannot let the day go by without giving y'all the video, man. So sorry for the late upload. Please forgive me. But the content is here, and I do have a shoe to show y'all that recently released, and I think it's fire, man. So fire that your boy copped 2 pairs of these. However, I will only be keeping 1. I just copped a second pair to have it in hand at this moment, because I did purchase a pair of these off of GOAT, and that pair is on the way. So this pair, if you want it, is up for grabs, or I might just hold on to it until Whatnot on Thursday. Hint, hint. But yeah, man, we about to get into that. Before we do, if this is your first time stopping through, glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay. I need for you to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button down below, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. We recently hit 152. I gotta get up for that one, man. 152. I appreciate y'all for 152,000. Wow, man. Look, y'all. Thank y'all. Truly, truly a blessing. Truly an honor to end off the year, man. Let me pull my sleeve up for this one, man. To end off the year at such, you know, a number, man. We exceeded our goal of 150, man. So, man, thank y'all. I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off, but I truly, truly appreciate y'all, man. Thumbs it up, man. Thumbs it up if y'all are new, if y'all are old, if y'all are OG. Thumbs it up. Let's go ahead and get the likes up on this video. Y'all already know how we doing it, man. But yes, man. Before we get into it, y'all, we are running out of time, y'all. We are running out of time, y'all. You still have enough time to go ahead and place an order. Woo, appreciate y'all. On a bang Soul Premise bag, y'all, man. Today we went with the black on black because we rocking black, you know what I'm saying? But this right here is the Luciano leather bag, the big boy. Take a look at the materials. SP branding, premium leather, look, when they rip this out of the gift wrap, y'all, they're gonna be like, bruh, I know you dropped the bag on the bag, you know what I'm saying? But now, y'all, you can get almost 50% off on one of these bags or any bag over on soulpremise.com today by using promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. All the info you need is linked down below in the description. This bag that I do have right here, y'all, the Luciano leather bag, holds up to 6 pairs of shoes in it, y'all. 1, 2 accessories. That's not it, y'all. 3, 4 accessories. 5, possibly 6 pairs of shoes in the Luciano leather bag. Of course, you still have more storage space in the front, y'all. So definitely check out Soul Premise. They have black bags, they have blue bags, red bags, pink bags, you name it. They got it all for you, man. So check out Soul Premise. Everything is linked down below in the description. But Jay the Sneaker Guy is a promo code, and like I said, y'all, you running out of time, man. Head over there now if you want them before Christmas. Put a smile on somebody's face. Woo! But yes, outside of that, bang, man, we do got a pair of shoes right here that has recently released, y'all. Like I said, I pulled the trigger on these on GOAT before these released because I didn't know who was gonna be getting them. But I got them for a steal, you know what I'm saying, from GOAT. You know, I was one of the first people to buy them a sale from these on GOAT. But I do have right here the Jordan Airship PESP color blocking is multicolor oil green. This is a size 8.5, y'all. Like I said, it is available if you want it. If it moves before I sell it on Whatnot on Thursday, it is all yours. But outside of that, it's available. But size 8.5. When you pop off the lid, y'all, this is different, y'all. This is different. You do got that Airship style type of logo. I don't know what that is. That's my first time seeing that, but it does say Air Jordan right there. As you can see, the lid does have a lot number and the swoosh right there on the top. But cardboard orange style box. I didn't even talk about the box, but orange cardboard style box. It looks like it's not a craft, it's a Gore-Tex. It looks like a Gore-Tex type of recycled box, but it is not that. You do got the Airship, of course, paper that shows you how the Airship was crafted and all that good stuff. Y'all already know these. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. But it does have, of course, the Airship stuff in there. Yada, yada, yada. Whatever. Inside, you got the shoe paper, which is plain right there. I did see that it has a white and green sticker right there in the box in the back and the cut. So there's a white and green sticker on these. But the shoe that nobody is talking about that I definitely think is a clean pair, I had to have these. Shout out to one of my subs who put me on, is the Nike Airship in Realtree. Realtree, right? Realtree collab. The camo joints, y'all. Bang! So there we have them, y'all. The Realtree collab with Jordan, y'all. So this is an official collab with Realtree and Jordan. Y'all, upon me waiting on these shoes, and I picked these shoes up from Sneaker Politics. I believe I picked these up from Sneaker Politics, y'all. And like I said, y'all, I purchased them first off of GOAT because I didn't know anyone who was gonna be getting them. But Soul Play ATL and I want to say Sneaker Politics, one of the only two places I seen get this shoe. Let me set up my presentation real quick. Bang! But yes, man, those were the only two places I seen that had these shoes. Of course, they did release at a couple places overseas. I think I saw, oh man, I forgot the name of that place, but it was a couple places overseas that did release the Nike Airship in Realtree collab, y'all. These are nice, man. These are definitely nice. As you can see, the brown, the Nike stitching at the top right there. One thing that caught my eyes when I seen these, and I was like, whoa, that is kind of just, that's a little extreme, is the tongue, y'all. It has a very, very long tongue, y'all. As you can see the tongue, how much it protrudes over that ankle collar, man. It's a very high tongue on this pair right here, man. But y'all, you going hunting, bro. Go hunting in style, man. I might do something crazy. When I do a little video for these, I might be like ducked off in the woods somewhere. Like, you know your boy Jay be doing the most, man. But the Realtree Air Jordan 1 Airship, not Air Jordan 1, no disrespect, my bad. But the Air Jordan Airship, definitely an all over canvas upper material, man. And these, like I said, y'all, these are nice, man. I definitely like them. I got my personal size 9 on the way. It should be here maybe Wednesday, Tuesday, something like that, man. But you can see that suede, that nubuck material, and it does have a back and forth motion on it, man. Nice, very, very soft. Same thing right here on the back, man. Two-tone motion, just nice. But like I said, all over canvas, a printed camo canvas, you know, little detailing on all over around the shoe. But these is cool, man. They do come with, I saw that they did come with an extra set of laces. It might be on this shoe. Yeah, it's on this shoe right here, which is the left shoe, man. It does come with an extra set of white creamish laces, I want to say, to go off that midsole. So that's a dope little touch right there. But you can definitely put some other colors in here to kind of offset it. But it does come with this bag, of course, with the laces in it. And I think that these are solid, man. These are definitely a solid pair. Brown bottoms. I definitely will throw these on at some point in time, man. Take a look, man. Y'all see the Seattle hat, right? Y'all see what we doing. Y'all see what we doing, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to come right with the fitteds. The fitteds and the kicks. I might start an episode, man. Fitteds and kicks, man. How y'all like that? But anyways, man, these did release very, very quietly. A lot of people, man, was telling me about them. Y'all were asking me about them, like, yo, what's good with those, you know, Realtree Airships, Jay? What's good, man? You know your boy Jay got y'all, man. When it comes to these Jays, I be on it, you know what I'm saying? But not mad at these at all, y'all. Not mad at them. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The printing on the camo area does look a little computerized. It looks definitely like it was, I don't know, it doesn't look as distinct as I would like for it to look, but on feet you might not be able to notice the detailing as much, man. But this is a solid shoe, of course, clean. Hey, hunters, if you're a hunter, man, y'all go out and y'all catch y'all some deer or shoot y'all up some deer with these on, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna definitely blend in with a nice little camo outfit, man. But the Realtree joints, man, detailing on it, bruh, on these little pins on the back, what does that say? Sweat and blood, man. Y'all probably are not gonna be able to see it from the camera, but I will give y'all a little B-roll of what those little pins on the back say. It does say sweat and blood on it, man. So it does have, you know, a little detailing and let you know you're gonna have to go through sweat and blood in order to catch your prey or whatever it is you're doing when you hunting. But any other detail, am I missing out anything? Not really, I don't see nothing. But it does have, of course, the sizing just like your other airships do on the inside of the interior sock liner area. But yeah, outside of that, man, I think that these are decent, man. Solid pickup. I got these for $160 early off GOAT, y'all. I paid $160 for these, and I was like, man, they gonna cancel my order, bro, because right now these are going for like almost $200. Almost $200 on GOAT and those apps and such, man. So definitely I think that these is a solid shoe. Very limited. These are not like widely available. Very limited. It did sneak under the radar, but they are out there, man. So the Realtree airships, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are y'all still not fans of airships, man? Talk to me, man. Let me know. These cool, these pass, these trash. I should have said the other word to rhyme with it, but y'all know what I'm saying, man. But y'all let me know. Comment down below. What are your thoughts on these? Finally officially released, and I said when he first told me about them, I said those are dope. I think I was on a live stream or something when one of my subscribers told me about these, and I saw pictures and I was like, yeah, those go crazy. I got some pants that's gonna kill these. But definitely fan of them, had to cop them, got my size 9 on the way. When I get those, y'all might catch me in the woods doing the video. But outside of that, I do have this 8.5 JTSG Closet, y'all. If y'all want them, follow me over on JTSG Closet on Instagram. Send me a DM and we can work them out and we'll get these to you, man. But outside of that, I am gone. I will be back later on today because it is a new day at the time of me posting this. I'll be back with a movie for y'all. So mark my words, I'm gonna try to get that out to y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Gone, man. Follow me on Whatnot. Peace.